Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today we're going to be changing over the wiper blades in the Volkswagen Golf MK7. This particular car is a 2015 model. We're going to be doing the front and the rear. It's really easy to do and it's only going to take a few minutes. So the price of them both was £32 delivered. This is the prices excluding VAT. VAT in the UK is 20%. So it was £5.83 for the rear one and £20.83 for the front ones. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the car, we're going to put the wipers into a service position so they lift up, and then we don't even have to open the bonnet. It's going to be so simple. So let's get started. Okay, so take your key and we're going to pop it in the ignition, and we want to put the wipers in service mode. So we're going to turn the ignition on, but we're not going to start the engine. So you can see the ignition's now on. My door's open, it doesn't make a difference whether it's open or closed. Right, now turn the ignition off again. You can even take your key out if you want, and now just go down once on the wipers and you will see now that they've lifted up, so we've got access to them. Right, let's swap these over. Right, okay, so let's take out the new wipers. Right, so we've got both wipers here now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this blanket underneath here, because there is a risk once I take it out that this can, because it's spring loaded, can slam back, and once I take this away it's going to be metal against glass. I'm using an old blanket just to minimise the risk of smashing the windscreen. So if we come right in close now, we can see that there's actually a little button just here, and what we need to do is we need to press that button to release the windscreen wiper like that, and now you can see it's just going to move its way out. So it's really simple, just press the button in and then give it a little bit of a wiggle and it will come out. Now that's why I want the blanket there, so that doesn't snap down and smash that. We're then going to get the new one and we're simply going to place it in there like so and just push it in until it clicks into place. And you can see the button now has gone into place, and that is now locked, nice and easy. So we can now safely remove that, that's not going to smash anything, and we're going to move on to the smaller wiper blade. This is the actual one that's damaged, but I had to buy it in a pair. So same process again, press that little button in and just wiggle it out like that. And exactly the same as before. Push it in there like that. If you're having trouble, you can always just press that little button in to give you a little bit of a helping hand, like so, and then just wiggle it into place like that. Okay, if you find it's not going in, then what you can do is angle it ever so slightly downwards like so, and then it will go in like that. And now that's locked into place. Right, let's do the rear wiper. Right, again we're going to use a blanket just because we've got it, but this is all plastic anyway, so you should be fine on this one here. Same thing again, press the little button in here and we're just going to wiggle it out like so. Get the new one and push it in until it clicks into place like that, and now that has locked into place. So it's a nice easy job to do, and there's no need to take half a day out to take your car to the garage when it's a 5-minute job that you can do yourself. Now let's test them. Right, so you can see they're still in the service position, so let's pop the keys back in the ignition and we're just going to turn it on, and now if you see, if we go back down it will work like so, and now you can see that the wipers are nice and smooth. Perfect, and now let's check the back one. Okay, and there we have the back one doing its thing. Lovely, easy job, so simple, quite therapeutic to do, and it doesn't cost a huge amount of money. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.